just feels really cool, like saying, oh, I do forensics. You actually get to do the stuff, put on the suits, put on the gloves, have the evidence bags and the crime scene tape. I think each crime scene is unique. Even the most mundane burglary, it tells a story, and you need a certain person to be able to come along and kind of work out what's happened. Having a practical course that's hands-on, it really helps because you go from theory to actual practical skills. You learn how to properly package evidence and do it safely, how to use microscopes, how to use lab equipment, and how to prepare samples, slide specimens. Going into the crime scene house, one of the main skills that I've learned is teamwork, how to kind of work with people, certain roles, and yeah, just the forensic process. One of my lecturers has got over 16 years experience in CSI, so having her point of view and her expertise is just great. Although it's crime scene investigation, forensics, there are so many different avenues you can go down. You can go towards lab work, criminology, there's elements of psychology, there's everything in there. If there's an area of interest, you can specialise and you can focus on it. So yeah, give it a try.